Stop memorizing React. Start understanding it. If you think React is just writing HTML inside JavaScript, you are missing the real power. In the next few minutes, I will break down the core function of React.js. Let's start with the most misunderstood concept in React, JSX. JSX stands for JavaScript Extensible Syntax. It allows you to write HTML-like code inside JavaScript. For example, now your brain says, wait, HTML inside JS? Is that even legal? Yes, but here is the truth. It's not actually HTML. Behind the scenes, something called Babel converts JSX into pure JavaScript. So this becomes something like this. So remember, JSX is not HTML. JSX is JavaScript that looks like HTML. There are two major ways to set up React. By CRA, which is old one, and by Vite. This is a command to set up React with CRA. These are the steps and command to set up React with Vite. React is built on components. A component is a reusable and independent piece of code. Think of components like Lego blocks. You build UI using small pieces. For example, component names must start with a capital letter because lowercase is treated as HTML, uppercase is treated as a React component. Now, how do we use it? Inside another file, React apps are modular. You separate logic into files. To use a component, you must export and import it. Default export. Names export. Names require curly braces. Default do not require curly braces. JSX looks like HTML but follows JavaScript rules. G rules. First, always close tags. Use class name instead of class. JavaScript inside curly braces. Only one parent element. If you understand JSX, setup with Vite, components, import and export, JSX rules, you have just unlocked the foundation of React.